Whether you need to move a few tons of dirt from one spot to another, or you need to pour concrete in that big hole you just made, there's a construction machine for the job. Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be showing you the power of just a few of the machines that make our world go round, be it trenchers, vacuums, or much more. First up, we have the McElroy Talon 2000. This machine is used for fusing large diameter thermoplastic pipes. Its powerful jaws tightly grip any pipe that's less than 78 inches in diameter, after which a facer unit fits the ends of the two lines together. Lastly, a heater fuses the attachment area. The Talon 2000 is capable of lifting a pipe from the ground, positioning it, and moving it along the pipeline. No doubt it's an engineering marvel. Next, we have the Shelton CT150, a chain trencher designed to dig and lay pipes. You can attach this unit with any 150 to 200 horsepower tractor. Its max digging depth is 5 feet, which can be varied from the cab. Its reel system lays the pipe in the trench while digging. These features enable one worker to do all drainage work alone. With its laser grading technology, the unit can evenly install drainage pipes throughout agricultural land. The unit is also equipped with a twin auger, which moves the soil to the trench edges so that it can be bladed back easily. Up next, we have the Dynaset hydraulic bucket, built to perform a variety of cleaning tasks. Unlike any electric-powered vacuum pump, this unit transforms hydraulic power into an enormous suction force. That means you can mount it with any excavator and start collecting dust and debris, including gravel, fragments of steel, wood, and plastic. The Dynaset hydraulic bucket works perfectly on demolition and construction projects. The Carmex 3500 TC is an off-road mobile batching plant with a 4.85-liter drum. Generally, this machine is designed for moving and pouring concrete. It's equipped with 4 electronic sensors for scaling. This feature makes it easy to use and extra accurate for any kind of mixed design. Its cab is comfortable and guarantees maximum visibility for the operator. Moreover, the 3500 TC cement mixer has ProMix technology for analyzing concrete. This includes measuring slump, volume, temperature, aridity, and ready mix indicators. If you don't know what silt fences are, they are made of woven polypropylene material, usually positioned around construction areas to prevent chemical contamination to natural drainage. This unit, made by Vermeer, is a silt fence installer. It can be attached with a mini load or skid steer. The worker just has to place the sheet under its rotary blade. As the blade rolls, the sheet is inserted into the ground. This fence installer can install an entire roll of silt fence in one run. Next, we have a drainage pipe layer from Mastenbroek. It's fitted with a large V-plow that cuts into the ground and simultaneously lays drainage pipe underneath. It's perfect for agricultural regions where the soil doesn't become too hard. This equipment is capable of laying pipelines up to 1.8 meters in depth. It's equipped with a Cummins 335 horsepower engine and is regarded as excellent for lateral drainage schemes. Last but certainly not least, we have the Nymatech Pipe Lifter. It is a mechanical clamp that is used to lift and place large diameter sewer pipes. The pipe lifter requires no hydraulic connection and can be attached to an excavator via its coupler. It simply clamps to the pipe at the top end, which allows the excavator operator to pick up the pipe and move it where it needs to go. The operator can then use the same clamp to force a new pipe into the previous one.
Hey guys, thanks for watching and we really hope that you enjoyed the video. If you have any thoughts about what you just watched or have ideas for future videos, comment them down below. If you enjoyed what you just saw, feel free to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell too. Thanks for watching and we hope to catch you next time.